bamboo consists of lot of starch and sugar, and to increase the durability of bamboo, we need to treat that bamboo so that the lifespan of the product made from that bamboo will automatically increase. Now there are broadly two categories of bamboo treatment. One can be called as a pressure method, another can be non-pressure method. So in a non-pressure method, we can dip bamboo. If we talk about a traditional method of treating bamboo, the people used to keep bamboo in a flowing water, and starch and sugar which will get dissolved in that water and which will go off, and then that bamboo durability of that bamboo increases. So these are the traditional method of treating bamboo which has been used for hundreds of years across the globe. Bamboo can be treated by smoking that bamboo for a period of 6 months to 1 year, and that is one more method where traditionally bamboo used to be treated. Now we can treat bamboo using preservative chemicals. In preservative chemical, you have option of using hazardous chemical and non-hazardous chemical, and there is one more option where chemical can be with the fixing agent and without fixing agent. The preservative which is with fixing agent is used for treating bamboo which can be used outside in exterior condition, and the chemical without fixing agent can be used only for an interior condition, so that it will not leach out, the chemical will not leach out. So Boric Borax is a very popular wood preservative. This don't have any fixing agent, and if you use this preservative for a treatment, then that particular bamboo is suitable for interior use. If you use a chemical like a CCB or CCA, both contains chrome which is a fixing agent. In this, CCA is a copper chrome boron, it is a boric acid based chemical, and CCB is a boric acid based chemical, and CCA is a arsenic based chemical. So let us talk about a non-pressure treatment. So if you are using one of these chemical, then you can use concentration of 4 to 8%. That means in 100 liter of water, you need to put either 4 kgs of chemical or up to 8 kg of chemical, and then you can dip the bamboo inside that chemical. Now you need to understand that bamboo is a bundle of capillaries. Capillaries start collapsing within 48 to 72 hours of harvesting. So if you are using a dipping method, then you need to start your treatment within 72 hours of harvesting of that particular bamboo. A bamboo has a tough outer covering which consists of lot of silica and lignin, and penetrating any chemical inside the bamboo is difficult because of that cover. So the best way is to put a small hole, 3 mm hole within internode portion, within the two nodes. So you have to put 2 holes, one from this side, one from the other side, so that chemical will go inside from in this hole, and air will come out from the other hole. So, and if you put this type of holes in a bamboo, then that bamboo needs to be dipped in a water based preservative with a 4 to 8% of concentration, and you need to keep that bamboo for 21 days inside that preservative. Then take out the bamboo, let that chemical drain out properly, and then you need to do the drying of bamboo under shade. It should not be kept in a sun to dry. So this is the way of treating bamboo in a non-pressure method, using a chemical either with a fixing agent or without fixing agent. The preservative with a fixing agent like CCA and CCB. CCA is a copper chrome arsenic, CCB is a copper chrome boron. So these are the two options, and there are many more options available which can be used. These are the popular options, and CCA is a arsenic based chemical, it is a hazardous, and CCB is a better option. So using CCB is advisable for a bamboo which is going to be used for exterior in exterior condition. If you are using bamboo and bamboo product in an interior condition, then you don't need that fixing agent. So the option is a boric borax. It's a combination of a boric acid and borax. So here there is no fixing agent, and in this method you can again use 4 to 8% of the concentration of the chemical, dip that bamboo for 21 days, and durability of that bamboo will be increased much more, and it will have a durability of 30 to 50 years. So this is the way how the bamboo can be treated in a non-pressure method. Now if you want to use a pressure method, then in a pressure treatment plant, it's a vessel where you put bamboo inside, close the vessel door, create a vacuum, and in a vacuum condition you are introducing water based preservative inside that chamber, and then create a pressure up to 8.5 kg per centimeter square, and under that pressure condition the capillaries open up. If capillaries are collapsed, it will open up and the preservative will go inside. Again, for this bamboo you need to put a 3 mm hole, 2 hole in one internodal section. So every internodal section you are going to put a 3 mm dia hole, 2 holes in one internode, every internodal portion, and that chemical will go inside, and from inner wall it will penetrate. So again here if you are using CCA or CCB, it is with fixing agent, it is recommended for exterior use, and if you are using for interior use, you can use always boric borax. There are various other chemicals available in the market as a wood preservative, you can use that. There is one more method which is called as hot and cold creosote method, where you can use a creosote, put the bamboo and boil it, not up to boiling temp point, slightly lesser than that, and that the creosote will go inside the capillaries, and that bamboo will become even a water repellent. So hot and cold creosote method is one more method by which you can treat a bamboo, and and you can also make bamboo water repellent if you are using hot and cold creosote method. So for treating bamboo, we have either traditional options of treating bamboo. We can use in that traditional option of either smoking bamboo or putting it into flowing water. You are not using any preservative, any chemical. If you want to use a chemical, then you have option of using chemical with a fixing agent and chemical without fixing agent. So and methods of treatment, you have two options, either you can use non-pressure method, just dipping, you can use a pressure method. So there are various methods of treating bamboo. You need to understand that bamboo consists of lot of starch and sugar. As long as starch and sugar is inside, some insect will come and eat it. Either you have to take out that starch and sugar, or change the taste of that material as such no insect will eat. So make it no longer eatable material. So treating bamboo is very much important. Without treating bamboo, please don't try to make any product out of bamboo. Treatment is the most important element in making any bamboo product. Pressure treatment method is the most important and most reliable method of treating a bamboo. In a pressure treatment, controlling quality is possible. If you are treating bamboo by a non-pressure method, you need to be sure that capillaries are not closed, and bamboo, your treatment needs to be started within 3 to 4 days of harvesting. But in a pressure method, actually you by applying a pressure, you are opening up the capillaries which are closed, hence there is no such a restriction in that. And in a pressure method, you can actually control the quality, because in a vessel you are creating particular pressure which is making sure that impregnation of a preservative inside the bamboo is uniformly happened, and a penetration is also proper, through and through penetration is there. So, pressure treatment is most reliable treatment to treat bamboo. If you want to treat bamboo in numbers, pressure treatment is the best treatment available, where right penetration and right retention is possible. For a quality, you need to check two things. What is the retention level of that preservative which you have used inside the bamboo? And as per the standards and codes, a different retention level is recommended. Suppose you are making bamboo you are treating bamboo for making furniture or product, retention level should be, and if you are using a pressure treatment, around 6 kg per meter cube. If it is a construction, it can be 8 kg per meter cube, and if you are making a craft item, it can be 4 kg per meter cube. So, the penetration of a preservative inside bamboo is very much important. And second thing, what is a penetration? Penetration need to be through and through. There are different checks of knowing whether penetration is properly happened or not. So, what is the retention level in that bamboo, and whether the penetration is proper or not are the two important checks of finding out whether the treatment is foolproof or not. So, keep in mind that retention and penetration needs to be checked periodically to ascertain that bamboo is treated properly.